Welcome to Found Portugal. Get ready because today, we're diving deep into the most anticipated tech event of the year, Web Summit 2024. Imagine thousands of people from every corner of the world, gathered in Lisbon, all with one thing on their mind, the future of technology. That's Web Summit. It's where tech meets ambition, and this year, it's bigger and bolder than ever. If you're a tech enthusiast, entrepreneur, or even just a curious soul, stay with me because there's so much to unpack. 1. Why Web Summit matters in 2024. Web Summit 2024 isn't just any tech conference. It's one of the most powerful gatherings in the world, bringing together the brightest minds, from Fortune 500 CEOs to rising startups. This year, we're talking about major industry shapers like Elon Musk, Satya Nadella from Microsoft, Frances Haugen who famously blew the whistle on Facebook, Gwynne Shotwell from SpaceX, and even Pharrell Williams. Pharrell brings a unique perspective as an artist, entrepreneur, and activist, merging creativity with technology to inspire future innovation. 2. What's on the agenda? From emerging tech to social impact, Web Summit 2024 is packed with sessions that dive into the hottest topics of our time. Imagine discussions on the ethics of AI. How do we use AI responsibly? And then there's the rise of quantum computing, a technology that could make today's computers look like pocket calculators. Whether it's augmented reality, blockchain, or biotech, these sessions don't just give you the buzzwords, they break down why these trends matter and how they'll impact our lives. And for the socially conscious? This year, Web Summit is shining a spotlight on the environmental challenges tech is facing head-on. Climate change is no longer just an issue on the sidelines, it's now front and center in tech. We'll hear from environmental innovators who are using digital tools to fight global warming, and sustainable entrepreneurs pushing the boundaries of what's possible. 3. Why Lisbon? Why Portugal? Now, why is this global summit happening in Lisbon, Portugal? Well, Portugal is fast becoming a tech hub, and Lisbon is its beating heart. It's a city that's rich in culture, beautiful scenery, and an incredible place for collaboration. And the best part, Lisbon's unique mix of historic charm and cutting-edge innovation makes it the ideal backdrop for Web Summit. As part of Found Portugal, I'll be bringing you updates from the ground. Lisbon is more than just a location, it's a growing community of creators and innovators. 4. The big questions and big ideas. This year's summit is asking big questions. How will technology redefine healthcare, finance, and education? Will autonomous vehicles and space tech become part of our daily lives? And then there's the big one, what role will tech play in our existence? Web Summit 2024 is ready to tackle these complex questions, with experts debating, sharing, and inspiring ideas that might just spark the next big innovation. But it's not just about the innovations, it's about how these technologies are used. Data privacy, ethics, and the social responsibilities of tech companies are hot topics. And that's why Frances Haugen, the Facebook whistleblower, is such a crucial speaker. She brings attention to the ethical issues tech companies can't ignore. 5. Workshops, hands-on demos, and networking. Web Summit isn't just about listening, it's hands-on. This year, the summit features interactive workshops where attendees can get a real taste of the tech in action. Imagine walking through a virtual reality demonstration, seeing the latest in AI development, or experiencing a blockchain application that could disrupt entire industries. And with networking sessions and chances to speak directly with experts, this is where innovation becomes personal. 6. A vision beyond the present. Now, what gets me especially excited is the Web Summit's long-term vision. It's not only about what's happening now, it's about what's coming next. We're talking space tech, synthetic biology, and even the future of human-machine interaction. This isn't sci-fi, it's happening right now. And this summit is a chance to witness the possibilities that could shape our future society. 7. A call to action, be part of the future. Web Summit 2024 is more than a conference. It's a call to action, a rallying point for everyone interested in shaping the future. And here at Found Portugal, I'll be bringing you exclusive updates, insights, and highlights throughout the event. So, if you're as excited as I am, subscribe and stay tuned because this is just the beginning. And before you go, tell me in the comments, what are you most looking forward to at Web Summit 2024? Is it the next big innovation, a particular speaker, or a workshop? Let's start the conversation and uncover the future of tech together.